Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the CAN data bus gateway module on Volkswagen Tiguan for a generation. Guys, if you have problems with it, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that. And guys, after that, if you need to buy the replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the CAN data bus gateway module, we'll need to guys check two different fuses in two different fuse boxes. First, guys, let's come explain with the hidden fuse. Where is that fuse actually located? We need to come inside the car. And when we guys come inside the vehicle, right here, on the left side of the steering wheel, on the bottom side, you have a hidden fuse box, some relays, and you have quite a few hidden relays in the back side. Now, quick advice, if you want to see how to remove that trim piece to get to the hidden relays, fuse boxes, all that stuff, we have a video on the channel that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, guys, here, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. The first fuse that we need to check, guys, will be in that fuse box, and what we're talking about, we'll be working in that little bitty fuse panel right here with the mini fuses. The numbers will be printed under the fuses. We need to check fuse number 14. Now, under the hood, you will have another fuse, but not on all models. If you have the facelifted version, you see facing now the engine on the right side, on the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. If you have 2012 to 2017, most likely you don't have a fuse here. But if you have 2008 to 2011, the fuse box will look different. It will look like this one here. Okay, that's the layout. And what we need to check here specifically, guys, we're talking about fuse number 12, that 5M fuse right here. You don't have any relays, you just have these fuses that you will need to check on your Volkswagen Tiguan. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll we have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.